Welcome to our DEX training on accepting disputes. Let's dive in. First things first, keep an eye on your inbox. Dispute notifications will land there, containing crucial details like customer name, dispute number, receive date, and current status. Now, let's log into DEX and head to the disputes section. Use search filters to pinpoint the dispute you need. Focus on those labeled documents needed, they demand your attention. Click on the dispute to reveal its details. Look closely at General Info, Original Transaction Details, and the current dispute status. Once accepted, the disputed amount is debited from your bank account back to the cardholder. When you're ready, find the Accept Dispute option. A simple click confirms your acknowledgement. Even if a refund has been issued to the customer, merchants need to respond to the dispute. And there you have it. Accepting disputes in DEX made it easy.